What's good, everybody? Mark Days back at you again. This time I'm unboxing a couple of new Coach bags. We have the Houston Flight bag in signature leather. It's going to be the first one. And then the second one, we have the Houston matte bag in all black. So right away, as you can see, the experience when something gets delivered to you as opposed to getting it in the actual Coach outlet store is a lot different. So I love the way it comes packaged with the paper and everything like that. Sometimes when you buy it in the store, you just pull it off the rack. There's no paper in it. It's kind of flimsy. So I like to order my stuff online, and I really enjoy the unboxing process. Look at those C's embossed so beautifully on the bag. Look inside always for the story patch right there. That patch tells you whether or not it's authentic. Not every item will. Smaller items might not have the patch, but make sure you look at that patch. On to the Houston matte bag in all black. That's MAP, M-A-P. It's a beautiful bag. These bags were relatively affordable, maybe a little over $100 a piece, maybe about $110 each. So not bad at all for this level of luxury. Look at that beautiful bag. The strap is sturdy. The zippers are smooth like butter. Comes with more than enough room for whatever it is that you need to carry. Look at that Houston map. There it is, man. Look inside. Plenty of room. And see the story patch again. That'll always have the serial number on it also. An additional zipper inside there. So you get all that space and another pocket. Look at that. Beautiful. I mean, for the price that I paid for these bags, it's absolutely wonderful, man. So I cannot complain. Shout out to Coach for making affordable luxury items for people who want to just do it big and big it up. I did unbox a Gucci bag before, and let me tell you, this bag is not much. It's not far off as far as quality is concerned. So if you're into luxury and you don't want to spend a ton of money, I could probably buy 20 bags with what was paid for the Gucci bag. Go ahead and check out Coach, man. I'm a big advocate for it. Been on it for years. God bless. Peace be unto you. Take care.